we created the Elastic Contributor Program to recognize and reward the hard work of our awesome contributors, encourage knowledge sharing within the Elastic community, and build friendly competition around contributions. There are many ways to participate, whether it's contributing code, presentations, written content, organizing events, translations, or video tutorials. The 2021 cycle had 104 contributors from 57 different countries. All of them together submitted more than 850 contributions to the program. Congratulations to all Elastic Bronze contributors. Congratulations to all Elastic Silver contributors. Congratulations to all the Elastic Gold contributors. Congrats to all the winners. Join the current cycle that ends on January 31st, 2022. And thank you for being part of the Elastic community.